Hi everyone, this is Shravan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is regarding recruitment of executive trainees through GATE 2021 in NMDC Limited. This is a public sector unit, and we have total 4 types of vacancies. One is electrical and materials and management, and mechanical, mining, engineering. So electrical engineering having 10 vacancies, and the materials management having 25 vacancies, mechanical having 14 vacancies, mining having 18 vacancies. So the required qualifications are mentioned here. For electrical related vacancies, the required qualifications are mentioned here: electrical and electronics engineering, power systems and high voltage engineering background, and power electronics background. Okay. And when it comes to mechanical and automation, industrial and production engineering, mechanical production engineering, mining, machinery. For all these, that means whoever completed their graduation from these disciplines, those are eligible for this particular recruitment. And when it comes to mining engineering, graduation from mining engineering background. Okay. And materials management, if you observe, so electrical or mechanical or mining engineering related students. Okay. Mining engineering related students are eligible for this particular notification. Candidates whoever having 5 years dual degree, that means BE BTech plus ME MTech integrated dual degree in engineering in 11 disciplines, shall also be considered for this particular notification. And those people are required to fulfill 60% of marks for this particular notification, right? And SC/ST PWD background students shall require 50% of degree marks. So for this recruitment, upper age limit is 27 years as on the last date of online application. Age relaxation is the same criteria: OBC 3 years and SC/ST people having 5 years age relaxation. These are the GATE paper codes. For electrical background, GATE paper code is EE, and for mechanical background, the GATE paper is ME, and for mining engineering, the GATE paper code is MN. And for materials management, for these vacancies, the GATE eligible GATE papers are EE, ME, MN, right? And individual vacancies are mentioned here. Please go through that. And the total number of vacancies are 67. Okay. So which are including PWD candidates. For this recruitment, you have to pay 500 rupees. This 500 fee is applicable for OBC and general candidates and EWS candidates. And when it comes to SC/ST PWD and ex-servicemen category students are exempted from fee payment. And mode of selection, so here we have 3 categories. One is GATE scorecard in concerned discipline. For that, they are providing 70% of weightage, that means 70 marks, while you are considering 100 marks. So group discussion having 15 marks weightage, that means 15%, and interview having 15 marks weightage, that means 15%. Okay. Total 100 marks. Training and probationary period, total 2 years. One is training and one is a probationary period. While you are in training period, company will provide 50,000 rupees plus dearness allowances as per IDA rules. And after completion of 1 year training period, they will designated as assistant manager in the scale of 60,000 to 1,80,000 pay. And here we have certain general conditions, and this is an MDC website, and please go through that for complete information. And these are the certain important dates. So this online application starts from 1st March 2021 and ends on 21st March 2021. And for hard copy of printing, for that the last date is 5th April 2021. Okay. So for more details, please visit company website. So anyway, I will attach this PDF below of this particular video. For more update, please subscribe my channel and share this information to your friends, and please like the video. Thank you.